Now, have you or a loved one ever experienced a rectal ejection so violent you think you might need industrial cleaners? Well, I think I found the product for you. Yeah, so welcome back to the Dadskillz how-to and review channel. And if you've got to that age where you can't trust a fart anymore, I think I might have found the perfect product. Bear with me. So I managed to pick this up in the January sales. It's a Bissell Pet Pro. Ooh, let's take it out of the box, see what we've got. Okay, I've not opened it yet. I thought we'd do it together. How exciting. So, this was on offer just after Christmas, $127.99. Normal price, $179.99. So, hopefully we've got a bargain. Now this is meant to be a great thing on car fabric as well, seat fabric and stuff. So we've got loads of instructions. We've got our cleaning nozzle with bristles. Very nice. Ah, excellent, okay. That's good. I was wondering if I was going to have to buy some of that, but we've got some. We've got the shampooing thing. It's cool. Got another cleaning nozzle with some kind of little receptacle for something. Works best when used slowly. Empty tank when full. Stain trapper. Cool. Bit of cardboard away. Here's the actual machine itself. Wow. Geez. Bear with me. Okay, that's everything out of the box. Look at this lead. I have to look up and see how long that is, but that's amazing. Some sort of the end of the nozzle there. Take to unlock. Got tanks. Wowzers. Right, I'm going to break from tradition and give the instructions a right good read, and then we'll try it out. I've had a really good read through these instructions, and what I can tell you about them is they're hopeless. They don't give you any written information at all. It's just all pictures. That's not very helpful to me, that. So, on YouTube, Bissell do have a couple of tutorials on there which I've watched, which have proved to be quite useful. So, a few little bits that we start with. So the cable apparently is 6.7 meters long, and the motor is 750 watt. On the side there, you can handily wrap your cable up when you're finished, and then to get it off really easily, you can do that and pull it off, as it were. Start button there. So we've got this little flippy thing there to get our nozzle out. In normal use, you will use this thing that goes on there, and you can take it off. There's a little button there, push that and it comes off. That's fine. It's got a trigger there. When you press that, the water comes out. Give whatever you're scrubbing a bit of water, a bit of a scrub, and then go over it without your finger on the trigger, and hopefully you'll vacuum up all that water. And we'll have a little go at that later on. Now this thing, didn't quite know what this thing was for, but this is for pet stains, shall we say, that you don't want to go into the tank because it may well be corrosive, or it could make the tank smell. So this is to isolate those pet stains, as it says, stain trapper, so that you can empty this separately. None of those smelly pet excretions that then have to go in here. Isolate it in here. Give this a damn good wash afterwards, and that should keep this thing fresh. We've got two tanks. This first one is the tank for your shampooing stuff and water, and it gives you a handy little line and how much formula to put in to how much water. You do that by taking this lid off, fill that up, put this back on, and then this just locates in a little hole in here. Put that down, your tank's full of water ready to go. This other tank is where the dirty water goes to. Lift that up, pull it out, and then in here you've also got a little red filter that it says clean regularly, keep free of debris, blah, blah, blah. Now to get this off, you push that handle over where you think it's not actually going to go, but it does. And then you can lift the top up, get rid of all your dirty water, rinse it out, leave it on the side to dry. Lovely. That's cool. Put that back on. So now I guess the only thing we need to do now is find a particularly dodgy stain. See how it goes. Ah! Hopefully you can hear me okay and the wind noise isn't too bad. So I've been saving this seat for quite some time now, and this will get a seat cover over it. But this is what you get when you combine children, Cadbury's, and a nice warm inner thigh and buttocks for about half an hour. It's just, look at it, it's got all sorts of stuff on it. I put my drinks on there, cups of tea, all sorts goes on there, and it gets absolutely ruined. But it is what it is. So we're going to see what this thing does with this. Another little tip, with most things that you're adding detergent to, put the water in first, then the detergent, otherwise you'll get suds everywhere. So and then just so you can see the stain trapper thing, the actual pet attachment, let's see how the water collects in there, the dirty water. Well, there we go. They're a whole lot better. And I've actually got some water left in the tank, so I'm going to go over those again. That's what you get in the bottom of your stain trapper. And let's have a look. Wow. That's incredible. That's what we've got out of those old seats. So I'm sure you'll agree that's going to be a great addition, especially to the Dadskillz car channel. If you've not seen that, take a look. I will link this in the description below. And thanks for watching, especially you, Thea. See you soon.